Hello, Amiriah. How are you? I just wanted to give you feedback on your assignment one. First of all, I want to thank you very much for your efforts. Um, Let me start off by saying your assignment one had quite a big similarity score. You know, I've had to subtract 5% right off the bat because you you seem to have not paraphrased very well during your essay. Remember, you've got to use your own words in entirety. Um, so you just need to look at um, paraphrasing properly. In terms of the content, I thought that you defined um, crisis really well. I thought that you identified some of the multi-layered levels of crisis in a situation. I thought that you identified some of the models of assessment in terms of Emma's emotional state and in the context of anxiety and loss. You were able to look at things like self esteem, poor self concept, the potential for self harm, and the ABC model and the task, for example. The only criticism I have is you needed to include much more application. I see that you were able to identify the theory and you did that very well. But like I said in the various meetings that we had, you needed to get the balance right between theory and application. So your essay in its entirety was very theory based, but you didn't tell me on many occasions how you were going to implement that with Emma. So you were able to identify the theory in terms of assessment and intervention, and you were also able to identify some of the coping mechanisms, and you also referred to the developmental stage of adolescence in doing that. Um, you were able to also identify some of the techniques, active listening, for example, and you understood the concept of countertransference. Your referral letter was also fine. Again, my only criticism is that the application wasn't there in many cases, and you lost quite a significant amount of marks there. So overall, with a penalty for a little bit of plagiarism in terms of not paraphrasing, and because of your high similarity score, I've decided to give you 65% for your assignment. Obviously, bear that in mind for your next assignment as well, and the importance of application. Okay, thanks a lot. Cheers. Bye.